you? Thank you so much for being here and watching. So today we're opening up the Love Care Box. So it's really exciting. They just turned 1 year old. So Love Care Box, well, let me tell you a little bit about it and then we'll get into their little birthday celebration. So Love Care Box is a bath subscription. It has all vegan, cruelty-free items. Each month you get 5 to 7 full-size products, and if you don't want to do it monthly, they also offer a bi-monthly subscription plan. I love that they're doing that. Other boxes should follow because then it gives you some more time to use your items, especially if you're just one person using all the bath items. 2 months is a much better time frame and it saves you a little bit of money. So you can get handmade goods like soaps, body polish, body butter, and candles. And they say these items excite your senses, heal your soul, and enhance your life. The products are natural or organic, vegan, scented treats to soothe your dry skin, created in-house or created by picky artisans. So this box does ship worldwide from the US and it is available on Cratejoy. So now let's get into the birthday celebration part that I almost got a little ahead of myself earlier. So they just turned 1 year old, and normally the price per month or every other month is $39.95, but they provided me a code to help you guys out, and this code doesn't just save you money on one box, it saves you money on the lifetime of your subscription. So I will leave the code here and on the screen. And with this code, you pay $29.95 plus $5.95 shipping for the lifetime of your subscription. So you're saving $10. That adds up. Like normally these codes usually just save on your first box, but this is every single box. So when they told me that, I thought that was super exciting. So I'm gonna leave their link down below along with all the information. And that code does work on both the monthly and the bi-monthly subscription plans, which is also great. So yeah, I've opened this before on my channel, but it's been a little while and I seriously love the items, and I can smell inside this box that it smells good, and I can't wait to see what's inside. It's pretty heavy too. So again, here is what the box looks like. It says vegan, natural, and handcrafted. So let's get this open and see what we got inside. Look how pretty. There's like a rose petal, and then there is a piece of paper, and then everything is underneath the tissue paper. So it says celebrate vegan bath and body goodies. Happy birthday, Love Care Box. And on the other side of that piece of paper, it talks about everything inside and also gives you the retail for each item. And it looks like the total retail value is $58. And right on top, it looks like we have like a little extra goodie, maybe for like their birthday, but it looks like there's some candy. There's by Nib More, if I'm saying that right. It's a daily dose of dark chocolate. It has 80% cacao, organic and ethically traded, vegan, and a sucker as well. And then it looks like there's also like one of those little scoopy things for your like jar of skincare, so you don't have to like use your nails and stuff like that. And it could be a little bit more hygienic, so that is great. And then everything is wrapped in tissue, like I said, but there's a sticker I didn't notice before. It says, welcome to Love Care Box. We'd love to hear from you. And it gives all of their information for customer service. So there's an email and a number. So that's great. So they have great customer service. They are giving their information out readily so you can contact them if there's any issues, questions, whatever. Ooh, and underneath the tissue paper, this is what I see. It looks so well wrapped. Everything looks so good. I just love bath goodies. Let's start with the thing that caught my eye first. It looks like it is a bath bomb, and I love how they sent it in this little box, so you can still see it, but also it arrived safely. So this is by Cottage Garden, the Mardi Gras bomb with baby inside, and it lists the ingredients. So let's take a sniff. If I can get this out. With baby inside. So is the bomb like the baby, or what does that mean? Okay, I'm like having trouble getting it open. Let me just sniff right here. Oh, this smells really good. And look, it's like nice and colorful. It'll probably make your bath look really pretty, and it's huge. So this would be perfect for a nice long bath. So let me find it on here. So this is $6, the Mardi Gras Bath Bomb with Baby Cottage Garden Bath. Complete your Mardi Gras section with this bath bomb, which has a baby inside. What does that mean? Box also includes strands of beads to keep, perfect for the crew, ball, parade, or just for fun. Scented in our #1 seller piece. 100% made in the USA, vegan, gluten-free, phthalate-free, paraben-free. And if you want to learn more or purchase from this company, it's cottagegardensms.com. So there are beads. Okay, so I guess I'll have to let you guys know. I wonder if there's like just like a little thing inside, like when it dissolves, a little baby. If you guys know, let me know. Let's move on to the next item. Ooh, yay! We got some wax melts. I use wax melts all the time. I have to get more of the tea candles though, but this is birthday cake soy wax melts, and this is by LUVCARE Skincare. And I think this is perfect because it's their birthday. And look, some of them have like little sprinkles. Oh my god, and I love the scent of birthday cake. Let's get this open and take a sniff. Oh my god, it smells so good. I seriously want to eat some cake right now. Yum. So this is $6 and it says, our delicious birthday cake soy wax tarts melt easily in your wax warmer, giving off a sweet smell throw just like the real thing, an aroma of warm vanilla birthday cake. Enjoy. Seriously smells so good. Okay, let's move on to the next item. It looks like we have like a little soap here in a heart shape. There's actually 2 of them here. How cute. I love how they're wrapped. This would be like a little good addition for a gift, you know, if you didn't want to keep it for yourself. But smells really good. It smells like roses kind of. But these are Tiny Guest Heart French Soap by La Belle France, 2 count, and it's $6 for these 2. It says, these tiny heart-shaped French soaps are so cute, your guests will feel so special. They are made traditionally by one of the last soap masters in Marseille, France. The molding of each block of soap is done manually. Makes a perfect Valentine's Day gift. These are so cute. That is a good idea to use it for guests. My first thought was like to gift it. Next up we have something here that's called Rejuvenate Face Mask, and this is by LUVCARE Skincare. So this is like a powder. This is one of those masks you just add water. So let's learn more about this. It says this is 4 ounces and it is $14. Our hand blended mask contains 3 different clays to detoxify and rejuvenate the skin by drawing out impurities, leaving skin feeling soft and pores smaller. It's vegan, safe for all skin types, and includes a wooden spoon and brush for easy application. Cool. So yeah, the ingredients here, it just says colloidal oatmeal, bentonite clay, rosua clay, rose petal powder, essential oil, and there is some fragrance in this as well. And you just add a few drops of liquid. You can use water, aloe vera gel, coconut milk, etc. And you add it to half a teaspoon of powder. Stir to make a paste, apply to skin, let dry, and wash off, leaving skin soft. Awesome. Here are some Mardi Gras beads. Oh yes, I absolutely love getting candles. So here's a raspberry lemonade 100% soy wax candle. Looks like it's purple. Let's get the top off and smell it. Oh man, this smells so good. Smells exactly like raspberry lemonade. Smell-o-vision, where are you? You guys would love it for this box. So this candle is $7. It's 3 ounces. I think I said that already. Oops. Our raspberry lemonade soy candle is scented with a sweet raspberry blended with the crispness of lemonade that makes for a wonder tangy mix. Sweet, citrusy, and fruity green types of top notes. Strawberry, raspberry middle notes. Sweet vanilla, cotton candy, apple berry type of bottom notes. It smells so good. I actually can smell a little bit of that cotton candy. I don't know. It smells really good though. And we have one more item here. Here is the brush they mentioned for the face mask. I almost missed that. But we have one more item besides that. This is Bella Handmade Whipped Body Butter. This is 7 ounces. Made by LUVCARE Skincare, and they're based out of Maryland, by the way, Gaithersburg, Maryland, if you guys are curious. So this is a body butter. It says Bella is a whipped blend of botanical blend of oils and butter, scented with top notes of white floral, citrus, dewdrops with hints of cassis, fresh greens, and wood. What lingers are notes of cream, musk, and golden amber. Enjoy. And yeah, the ingredients are shea butter, coconut oil, castor oil, vitamin E, tapioca starch, fragrance, and love. This is a big jar. Let's see. So that is what it looks like. Definitely a whipped texture. It smells really good. Awesome. So this is $19. This is like the big product of the box. Our whipped body butter is a botanical blend. Oh, we already read that. Let's see, what didn't I read? It has fruity notes blend with fresh greens, warm woods, and folding to reveal a cream musk and golden amber. It's 100% vegan, like everything in the box. So that was everything, you guys. So let's see how many items we got. We got a mask, big jar of body butter. It smells really good. Oh my god, these birthday cakes, soy wax melts. There's 6 in here. It smells so good, like exactly like birthday cake. We have these 2 little heart-shaped soaps. I don't know why I lost track of that word. We have a little necklace here and that brush for the mask, which is, I'm really glad they included that. And then this bath bomb that has a baby in it, which I still am like, what? So I think this was really good. Everything smells so amazing. Oh my god, I almost forgot, like my favorite thing, the candle top. So we got a lot of stuff in here. It's all handmade, local businesses. It smells great, so I love stuff like this. I love getting bath subscriptions. They're one of my favorites. And what are my favorite items? Oh, and of course we got our little bonus like chocolate and sugar here, yum. I think my favorite item, I mean, I just love getting candles so much. That body cream, that smells really good too. And the wax, I don't know, I'm just gonna list them all off again. I like everything. I think I will get use out of all of these items. Oh yeah, you guys have to let me know your thoughts down below, and definitely if you guys are interested in this or looking to gift like a bath subscription to someone, or know someone who has like sensitive skin and dry skin, that's like who they cater towards, or like people with normal skin too, definitely use that code because that is a lot of savings. Think about it, if you get a whole year that you're saving $120. That's crazy. So yeah, happy birthday to LUVCAREBOX. Thank you so much for sending this to me and providing such an amazing code for my amazing subscribers. You guys have to let me know if you sign up. Anyways, I hope you guys are all having an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.